Haduk menta ke Jylla kelala banshna haduk san pulai hajar nrispa arp nyoteli ke painkhana ha ke longying bat khat we hajar prateli ke painkhana shnong kata kabala Kynjoh haduk nyupupra point san persen baro ong Myntri katrat PHE Marcus and Marang habakren shakilat pthai kubor hakashipho tarik nopra kabade ru kasni penkut ya kasenjam balatip kum ka hamara so chale hamara saman Ulaong baya kani kasenjam hamara so chale hamara saman lasdang pentrekam ha kakhat khandai trek unai wieng arjar arpasau haringkat kathong banyalam halor kajingdan kam ya ki pankhana habaro ki yeng brio bat kishnong ki thau kani kajing pen snguthuk patba kalakut no ha kashipho trek no pra arjar arpasau kata kasngi balaraki ha kylleng ka perthei kum ka human rights day Namar barok ki brio ki dei ki belakha lait luj bat mar kumju hakalong renyeng bat ki hok ka badei ru kamat ka bahak mat e. Myntri upentip ru bakatnat kala yok pediang haduk palat khat sa point prapolak teli ki application banshna ya ki pankhana ha ki longyeng jong ki riu shimen. Na kani Jylla pelat ya kasong pisa na kabenta ka jingshna ya haduk prap nyohajar shispa prap sal teli ki pankhana na kabenta ki longyeng shimed baik shnong baper ha ka jinglot ka bakot khat arajar tingka ka wei ulaong. Na lor kata Myntri ula syong bishar kam ru halor ka jingpentre kam ya ka mission hapo ka Jylla bat ong ngalapan pau syai bakatnat ka dei ban pentikna babaro ki pankhana shimed bat ha ki shnong ki thau ki dei ban long ki batre kam. Ulapan pau ru baka Jylla kala Kynjoh syaka prapulai point prapaway percent hakabaya day bat ka open defecation free ODF plus status. Habakali umarak ulaong baka mat kabaya day baka jingyo jaka kade ka way na kijing ka bapentre kam ya kade ka mission. Kumta nga kerpat ya kirang ba shnong nokma bat ki deloy jongi bakin yatre lang bat ka sorkar hakabaya day baka jingshna ya kini ki jingte kenang banla ban Kynjoh syaka thong ka bashispa percent ka jingshna ya ki pankhana hapo ka Jylla ula banram.
Especially this is this press conference is being called for for the on this day, on the closing day of Hamara Swachalay Hamara Samman, which was launched in the 19th of November 2024, especially to call attention to the need for functionality of toilets, both individual toilets and household toilets, and also community toilets in particular. The campaign ends today, that is 10th December 2024, the day observed internationally as Human Rights Day. Because all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. That's the basic thing. On this, actually, our target is that the sustainable development goals is achieving access to adequate and equitable sanitation, hygiene for all, ending open defecation while paying special attention to the needs of women and girls and those in vulnerable situations worldwide. And this campaign emphasizes the significance of sanitation as a cornerstone of dignity, health, and well-being for every individual. It aligns with our collective vision of ensuring access to safe and hygienic sanitation facilities for all. Till that, the state has the coverage of 53,627 individual household latrines and 1,108 community sanitary complexes units across the state. So far, we have received from the people for individual household latrine, for construction of individual household latrines, around 1,48,102 applications, out of which we have sanctioned 87,184 individuals for construction of the individual toilets in the villages. And in terms of percentage, we have achieved 78.5% in constructing the individual toilets. And I have made it very particular that all these toilets should be functional. And during this campaign, I had a review meeting with the department to make sure that all the toilets which have already been constructed in the rural areas, both individual and also the community toilets, should be a functional one. And I have already directed the officials on the district level that our staffs are working on the ground, but we are having some challenges, like land issues are there. So through you, I would request all our Rangbashnongs, Nokmas, Dolois to cooperate with the government to in creating such assets so that we achieve 100% in terms of construction of the community toilets as well as the individual toilets. So, but that very less lane is also very difficult to get in some of the localities. So, therefore, through you, I would urge the people to cooperate with the government. Making sure that all are functional. We have given the direction to the district levels, district deputy commissioners to monitor and to make it functional.